Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare copper versus bronze. We will explore their unique compositions, key characteristics, and common applications. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best material for your specific needs. We'll delve into their strengths and weaknesses, providing a clear picture of when each metal truly shines. Get ready to discover which metal is better for various tasks. Let's dive into the core of these metals. Copper, a pure element, boasts exceptional electrical and thermal conductivity, making it ideal for wiring. Brass, an alloy of copper and zinc, is known for its malleability and attractive golden appearance, often used in decorative items and musical instruments. Bronze, primarily copper and tin, offers superior hardness and resistance to corrosion, perfect for marine applications and sculptures. When it comes to real-world use, copper is the undisputed champion for electrical conductivity, found in nearly all wiring and electronics. Brass, with its ease of machining and appealing luster, is a top choice for intricate components like valves and ornamental pieces. Bronze, renowned for its strength and resistance to saltwater corrosion, excels in demanding environments such as ship propellers and underwater components. So, which one is better? The answer truly depends on your specific needs. If you require maximum electrical or thermal conductivity, copper is your best bet. For aesthetic appeal, ease of machining, and acoustic properties, brass is often the superior choice. And for applications demanding high strength, wear resistance and corrosion protection, especially in harsh conditions, bronze stands out. Each metal offers distinct advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.